How to use a Skype for beginners. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you a quick way on how to use a Skype. So if you are using Skype for the first time, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Skype application from the Play Store. So once you're inside here, the first thing you can do is simply click on this chat button over here, where you can see the people who also have a Skype account on this application. You can simply click on the particular person and simply start the conversation from over here. So the second thing you can do is you can simply click on this call section and simply start a call just like this with any person which you have already Skype account and which with whom you are already friends, or you with whom you already have a contact with. So the third thing you can do is you can also make a video call by simply clicking on this button at the top and simply starting this stream option. And once you're inside here, you can simply click on the start now button to start the video call with the particular person. You can also invite people from over here by simply sending them the message on or using different social media platforms. So third thing what you can do is you can simply click on this phone button and you can simply add the people phone number to register or add contacts. And the fourth thing what you can do is simply select this contact section, where you will have to you can invite different types of people from over here simply by clicking on this invite button. You can also click on this plus people icon, people with the plus icon you can see here. And from over here you can also add a phone number to your device, and you can also invite Skype people using a QR code just like this. So you can do a lot of stuff from over here. And the last thing what you can do is simply come back to this chat section and simply click on this profile icon at the top left corner, and from over here you can simply customize your settings just like this, or username, account, profile, and everything off. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.